Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annabel. Last week we learned the basic strokes of characters. So do you know how to read it and how to write it? Today we will focus 点、横、竖、撇、捺. And you need to know how to use these strokes to make characters. Okay, now let's see the first characters. This we call 木 摸乌木摸乌木 Mu means wood. Let's see how to write it. 横竖撇捺横竖撇捺 Before you writing, you should know the Chinese writing rules, right? So remember it. From left, go right. From top, go bottom. From top, go bottom. 木摸乌木摸乌木 wood. Now let's write together. 摸乌木横竖撇捺 So you can see this character. This is the first strokes. This is the second strokes. And this is the third strokes. This is the fourth strokes. So, okay, let's write together. First, we should write 横 from left go right. So the second strokes is 竖. Third strokes is 撇. And the fourth stroke is 捺. So this we read 摸乌木摸 This we call 摸 This is 乌摸乌木 This is the first twin 木摸乌木摸乌木 Okay, now let's see the second. Second character is called 本书本 means book 书本 Okay, let's see how to write it. 横竖撇捺横竖撇捺横本 Now let's write together. So you see this 横竖撇捺 This is 木 right? So we just add 横 It's become 本横 The second strokes is 竖 Third is 撇 Fourth is 捺 So the last strokes is 横 So this we call 本书本的本波 This letter we call 波恩本波恩本三声本 本 Okay, this have 5 stalks, right? This is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this have 5 stalks. This have 4 stalks. Okay, now let's say the third. This we call 大 的啊大 大 means big. Sorry, this. Okay, big. Now let's see how to write. 横撇捺横撇捺这个是大的三角形，这一个是小的三角形，这个三角形比这个三角形大。This triangle is bigger than this triangle, right? So 这个三角形比这个三角形大。的大 big 的大 big. Let's write it. First we write 横 from left go right, from top go bottom. 的大 This only have 3 stalks, right? Okay, it's very easy. 横 Second is 撇 Third is 捺大的大 This have 3 stalks only. 的大 OK, 它是4声，这个读的它是4声的大这个是开心 happy. How to write 开横撇竖 One more time. 横撇竖开心的开 Let's write together. 横撇竖开心的开 The first stalk is 横 Second is 横 The third is 撇 The last one is 竖 This is called 开心的开 Here have 4 stalks. 4 stalks of 开 So 开心的开开Okay, now let's say the last one. It's called 伞 伞 umbrella 伞这是一个五颜六色的伞五颜六色 means colorful. Now let's see how to write. 撇捺点横竖撇捺点横竖伞 Let's write together. 撇捺点横竖伞 So first stalk is 撇 Then 捺撇捺点撇 那点点撇捺点点横撇捺点点横树 is the last stalk. This called 伞 have 6 stalks. 6 stalks. 思安伞思安伞思安伞 Okay, now let's say the 5 characters we learned today. The first is 木 The second we called 本书本的本 This is 大小的大This we call 开心的开 Oh, do you notice this hen is shorter than this hen? So you need remember this. The second hen is longer. This. If you write like this, for example, you like the first is longer, this is short. So if you write this is wrong. Means wrong. It's not correct. Okay. So you need to remember the second hen is longer than the first one. This one we call 开心的开 Okay, now the last one is 伞雨伞的伞 Thanks for watching. 感谢大家的观看 I hope this video can help you to learn Chinese. Now see you next time. Bye bye. 我们下期见。